Hello, my name is Blair Wilson. I am a Master's of Education in Educational Technology Leadership student with Lamar University. I'm currently interning with the Riverside Unified School District, and this is an overview of the district's current technology plan. The Riverside School District is located in Riverside, California, and includes 52 schools that serve 43,336 students in grades K through 12. Riverside School District's current technology plan was drafted on August 31, 2010, and is effective from July 1, 2011 through June 30, 2016. Our current technology plan is based on the Federal Technology Plan, which is entitled Transforming America's Education, Learning Powered by Technology. Its goals are learning, assessment, teaching, infrastructure, and productivity. Our plan is also based on the California Technology Plan. This plan focuses on 5 criteria. These are a statement of goals with a realistic strategy, a professional development strategy, an assessment of technology, a sufficient budget, and an evaluation process to allow the school to monitor progress. Riverside's plan states that, quote, "This plan describes a shift in focus from the organization from standardization and compliance to innovation and experimentation, from value attached to presence to one based on outputs in which value is placed on growth as measured against student learning goals." Our goal is for students to have engaging and empowering learning experiences both inside and outside of the school that prepare them to be active, creative, knowledgeable, and ethical participants in our globally networked society. Our education system, at all levels, will leverage the power of technology to measure what matters and use assessment data for continuous improvement. Professional educators will be supported individually and in teams by technology that connects them to data, content, resources, expertise, and learning experiences that enable and inspire more effective teaching for all learners. All students and educators will have access to a comprehensive infrastructure for learning where and when they need it. Our education system, at all levels, will redesign processes and structures to take advantage of the power of technology to improve learning outcomes while making more efficient use of time, money, and staff. RUSD's technology plan is broken into 6 areas of focus. These are curriculum, professional development, infrastructure, hardware, technical support, and software, funding and budget, monitoring and evaluation, and finally, effective research-based methods and strategies. At Riverside Unified School District, we have quite a few specific curriculum goals in our technology plan. Our first goal is to prepare students to be active, creative, knowledgeable, and ethical participants in a globally networked society. We want to continue to provide devices and broadband access for those devices on our campuses. We want to provide learning resources for all K-12 grades and curriculums. We want to implement online systems designed to provide individualized learning opportunities for our students. We want to implement systems to engage students in science, technology, engineering, and math learning on our campuses. We want to provide students with access to online blended learning opportunities. We want to create, adopt, and implement technology and information literacy standards. We want to teach students the skills they need to be responsible digital citizens. We want to develop new technology use standards for our district. We want to provide the parents of our students the information they need regarding our technology standards in our district. We want to design and implement technology skill courses for teachers, students, staff, and parents. We want to educate our students and staff to be safe, responsible, and ethical users of digital tools. We want to establish mastery in each curriculum or grade level. We want to provide a program that we will design that will give assessment results to students and possible supplemental learning options to them as a result of these assessments. We want to utilize pilot assessments that are built into projects, games, and real-world problem solvings for our students. We want to implement new systems to leverage the use of multiple devices and networks. We want to provide all students in our district with access to hybrid learning environments. We want to use our learning management system and content management system to communicate with the families of our students. We want to provide our parents with technology training so they can support student learning. And our final goal is to implement brand new Web 2.0 and 3.0 technologies into our curriculum. The second focus of the RUSD technology plan is professional development. Our first goal is to use tools to assess staff development needs. Our next goal is to give staff annual training on our data management systems. We also want to have educators collaborate and share content in professional learning communities. We want to utilize learning management systems to connect with other regional, national, and international organizations in our field. We want to identify technology-based resources for professional learning. We want to provide online staff development delivered synchronously and asynchronously. We want to provide online courses for our staff for the learning management system. We want to find new ways to reward mastery in staff development. We want to provide our staff with ongoing training for the implementation of technology assessments. We want our teachers and staff to utilize online learning to provide best teaching practices for our students. We want to make use of artificial intelligence to gather data from a variety of resources and identify professional development needs in our staff. And our final professional development goal in our technology plan is to develop a teaching force skilled in online learning. The next part of our Riverside Technology Plan is the infrastructure, hardware, technical support, and software. The new softwares that our district would like to acquire are video conferencing software, automation software, SQL software, antivirus, filter, and firewall software. The new servers our district would like to acquire are a Mac Pro 12 core video server, as well as a Snow Leopard server and a Final Cut server. New physical plant modifications will be needed to increase both bandwidth and house the new cloud-based resources. Finally, our district wishes to evolve technical support by exploring the use of students and/or career technical classes to provide support and leverage online technical support. The next part of RUSD's technology plan is the funding and budget. The funding for our district's technology goals will come from the following resources: federal funding, lottery, state funding, grants, business partnerships, and donations. It should be noted that RUSD is facing a budget crisis and it may affect many of our programs. Therefore, the projected budget may need to be revised. The district's projected budget will likely remain unfunded until this fiscal crisis is over. As you can see from this graph of Riverside Unified School District's projected funding needs, our highest projected need will be years 4 and 5. The next part of the RUSD technology plan is on monitoring and evaluation. The Riverside Unified School District has created a district technology committee to monitor the technology plan. They will meet twice a year to review its progress. The District Technology Committee will present a yearly board report on the progress of the technology plan. Riverside Unified School District will have avenues of communication, including a blog and our online collaborative systems that will be used to share the progress on the technology plan. The final part of the RUSD technology plan is effective, research-based methods and strategies. Our district will use data that informs the decision-making processes. Some forms of data that will be utilized by our district includes the California Academic Performance Index, the Adequate Yearly Progress, and RUSD's standardized trimester assessments in language arts and math. Student data will be routinely monitored by the District Instructional Services Division, school administrators, and teachers in order to identify student improvement needs. Student achievement data will also serve to inform decision-making regarding the development of staff's expertise in technology. After reviewing the national, state, and district technology plans, I was a little disappointed to find little mention of the specific information systems in my district. I believe they should be a bigger part of this plan because they are the backbone of technology in the district. In conclusion, I'd like to say that Riverside Unified School District has developed an overall technology plan to keep ahead with the changes in technology. It includes a strong focus on student and teacher technology needs. Even with the budget crisis in the city, RUSD continues to strive to achieve all of the technology goals established.